Guys, this is Abhi and welcome to my YouTube channel AD Finance. So on this video we are going to discuss how you can make a 15% profit out of Tesla using put credit spread, and this is a superb strategy for any small account to double their profit or even triple their profit in a very short span of time. So let's start. Probably seen that or heard that Tesla reported their earnings this past Thursday, and just after reporting the earnings, their stock was significantly went down. It gapped down, right? And the people were expecting a shoot up and cross $300, but it actually reversed, and the even beat both top and bottom line. As you can see there. They're actually the estimated earnings per share increased, and their quarterly earnings also both on the revenue and profit margin both increased. But the reason why it went down was primarily because the Cybertruck concerns, as they are expecting that the production of that might ramp down. So that was the primary reason. However, based on my analysis and opinion, I feel that this is just a temporary setback and Tesla will bounce back. And they are working on their increasing their financing terms. So they will now have a 84 months interest options. This usually happens around earnings that stocks go down, but this will bounce back from here. So how you can take advantage of this? So that's where the put credit spread strategy comes in. Before we go to the actual strategy, let's first understand in basics what a put credit spread. It's also called a bull credit spread, right? So what it is. Put credit spread simply is a selling put but with a protected downside. So there are three key points that we need to look at for put credit spread. The first is it is a neutral to bullish strategy. The second, it requires minimal capital. And the third, it has limited upside potential, and as well as the downside is also capped. Okay, so now is the time for execution. Whatever we have gone through so far, so let's execute this trade in Robinhood. Right, so once you are in your Robinhood account, you are basically going to search for Tesla, and once you go to the options chain, you will have to select sell on here and put here. On the expiry date, I would recommend that you go at least a 2 week. That will be less work and less managing of the position for you. So we go for August 4th. So maybe this, by the time this video is released, you would still be able to make this trade. The important factor here now is the how to select this strike price. What is a good strike price to select? So a quick way to do that is basically you go for the Bollinger Band. You can check, and if you see, right, this is kind of a moving between like 298 to 240. So 240 is kind of, we can say, it's a short-term support that we had received. So I would say anywhere from 240 and below is a safe zone for the put. So we will go with 240 here. So once we are here, we'll have to select 240. So as you see, right, this is it's a 251, that is $251, right, you're getting. But in this case, you are basically, you will have to have almost 25,000 as the capital that you have to put. So that's where the put credit spread comes in, right? How do you reduce the capital requirement? So you buy a put for the same expiration below that, so you go for 235, right? So you select 235. So now it's a $500 spread, right, from 240 to 235. And if you see now, you are basically just putting $500 and you are getting $77 as the profit. So that's almost more than 15% that you are getting in 2 weeks. And if you increase the amount of contract to 10, that's basically you will have to put $5,000, and you are getting close to $800 profit, right? So that is a phenomenal profit, I would say, for a 2 weeks duration. So once you have everything set, you will have to just review that order and you submit. I am not going to submit right now, I already have a position open. So that is it, guys. So as you can see, right, we are getting for $5,000 investment, you are getting 770 returns, and that is all in 2 weeks. Okay, so that was it about the put credit spread. I hope that you like this, and I'm going to share more of my options trades in coming weeks. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be releasing a lot of if you are completely a beginner for the options trading, then don't worry, I'm going to put a lot of videos around simple call options, simple put options, spreads. There are a lot of options in options trading that are safer and that gives you consistent income, right? So that's my goal for this channel. So okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. I do look at all the comments. Take care folks. Bye bye.